Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yesi Gusman, and my goal in making this video is to answer the midterm exam that given by Mr. Habib. And this is my answer for the question number 1. Good morning. Thank you for calling Mega Permata Hotel. This is Miss Yesi Gusman. How may I assist you today? Hello. I'd like to check if you have any rooms available for this weekend. Certainly. May I know the check-in and the check-out dates you have in mind? Yes, I'm looking for a room for you for Friday to Sunday. Thank you. Let me check that for you. Yes, we do have rooms available for those dates. Would you prefer a standard room, deluxe, or suite? I'd like a deluxe room. Great choice. The deluxe room includes a king-size bed, free breakfast, and access to our spa. The rate is 600 per night. Would you like me to proceed with the reservation, miss? Yes, please. Thank you. So the second question is international radio from alphabet A to Z. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, India, Juliet, Kilo, Lima, Mike, November, Oscar, Papa, Quebec, Romeo, Sierra, Tango, Uniform, Victor, Whiskey, X-Ray, Yankee, Zulu. So my answer in the next question is, the third question is make a preposition with in, on, and at. Number 1 is in. Excuse me, where is the restaurant? The restaurant is in the lobby, next to the reception desk. So the second is on. What time is breakfast served? Breakfast is served on the 3rd floor from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. The last one is at. Where can I meet the tour guide? The tour guide will meet you at the front desk at 9 a.m. So this is the last question. And this is my answer for this last question. Can I have a late checkout tomorrow? Certainly. We can arrange a late checkout for you until 2 p.m. And the second example is there a free airport shuttle available? I'm afraid not, but we can arrange a private transfer for you at an additional charge. I think that's all my answer to the question of midterm exam given by Mr. Habib with the subject English for tourism and hotel. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my name is Ardiansyah Zarkasi, and the purpose of this video is to answer the UTS of EFT English for Hotel and Tourism. So I will answer the question. The first question is some ways to answer the telephone in the context of hotel and tourism. So to answer the telephone in the context of hotel and tourism, we can say like this. First one, good morning. Thank you for calling Plaza Hotel. This is Ardiansyah Zarkasi. How can I help you? And the next way we can say, Plaza Hotel, this is Ardiansyah Zarkasi. What can I help you? So the next question is the radio alphabet from A to Z. The first one, A for Alpha, B for Beta, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, I for India, G for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, Z for Zulu. So the first is preposition in the dialogue. Customer: hello sir, I need a nice room with a good view. Oh, okay sir, I can put you in room 403. It has a good view and it is a nice room. For the last, the preposition on and at, so I will merge them. Hello, this is Ardiansa Zarkasi from room 403. I can't find the iron plate. Could you tell me where is the iron plate? Oh, hello Mr. Hardy. The iron plate is on the table at the corner of the room. You can find it. Oh, okay, thank you. So the formal ways to say yes and no is for the yes, yes, exactly, absolutely, you are right. And the formal ways to say no, no, we don't, and absolutely not. I think that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Putri Telombanua. I will answer the semester exam question from Mr. Habib Ramansyah. I will answer question number 1. Example: Pia Hotel, good morning. Nisa speaking. He will answer, yes, I like to book 2 rooms for myself and my friend. Could you tell me the cost of a single room per night? Second answer: A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, I for Echo, F for Foxtrot, Z for Golf, S for Hotel, I for India, Z for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, Z for Zulu. Answer number 3. Here example for each preposition in, on, and at. Example: Therapist said, "Hi Sarah, can you tell me more about what's been going in your relationship with your partners?" Sarah said, "Well, we've been having a lot of conflict on weekends when we're both home from work." Therapist said, "I see. Can you think of a specific moment in which you felt really hard or frustrated with your partners?" And Sarah said, "Yeah, it was at our anniversary dinner last week. He didn't even remember to get me a gift." Answer number 4. Here are the formal ways to say yes, indeed, of course, certainly, and absolutely. The first, formal ways to say indeed. Example: Hotel reservation, would you like to book a deluxe room? Yes, indeed, I would like to book a deluxe room. The second, formal ways to note. Example: Hotel reservation, would you like to book a breakfast package? Yes, I am afraid not. I won't be needing breakfast. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afril Azari Rahab. I want to answer 4 questions. There is the first one. Some ways to answer the telephone in the context of hotels and tourism. So the first things we should say is greetings. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. After that, we can say hotel's name. After that, our name, and we can ask the client, how may I help you? For the example, we can say, good morning, Plaza Hotels. My name is April Azariahab. How may I help you? Okay, for the next question is International Radio Alphabet from A to Z. I will start it. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, E for India, Z for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, Z for Zulu. Okay, for the next question is example of use of the preposition in, on, at in the EFT or English for tourism. And the last question is formal ways to say yes and no and examples in sentence.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vanessa Linda, and I would like to answer the question of next semester. First one is ways to answer the telephone in hotel and tourism. The first one is good morning. Thank you for calling Plaza Hotel. How can I help you? And the next is this is Fanny speaking. How can I help you today? And the question number 2 is International Credit Telephone Spelling Alphabet from A to Z. The first one is A Alpha, B Bravo, C Charlie, D Delta, E Echo, F Foxtrot, G Golf, H Hotel, I India, G Juliet, K Kilo, L Lima, M Mike, and November, O Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, and Z for Zulu. Question number 3. Example of in, on, and at and dialogue in English for tourism. In use for enclosed space. Example is, where is the swimming pool? It is in the wellness center on the second floor. On use for service or transportation. The example, where I can find the breakfast menu. The menu is on the table. And at is used for specific location or points. The example is, where I can meet the tour guide. You should wait at the lobby entrance. The guide will meet you there at 9 a.m. Number four is formal ways to say yes and no with example sentence. The formal ways to say yes is certainly, absolutely, of course, indeed, and that will be fine. Example is, can I get a leg checkout tomorrow? Certainly, sir. I can extend your checkout until 2 p.m. And the next is formal ways to say no is unfortunately not, I'm afraid not, regrettably no. I'm sorry, but that won't be possible. Example, can I have the room upgrade for free? I'm afraid not, but we do have a premium suite available at discount rate if you're interested. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miranda. In this video, I will answer the question from English for Hotel and Tourism course exam. Question number 1. How to answer the telephone in hotel and tourism context? 1. We say good morning in the morning until noon. Good afternoon is used in the afternoon. Good evening is said at nightfall until midnight. And good night is never used as a greeting but as a greeting when parting evening. 2. To identify ourselves in formal conversation, we usually use the word speaking after our name. For example, Leo speaking. 3. Male guests are addressed as Sir or Mr., followed by their family name, and female guests are addressed as Madam or Miss, followed by their family name. And 4. Use the international radio alphabet to clarify spelling. Question number 2. International radio alphabet from A to Z. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, E for India, J for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, and Z for Zulu. Question number 3. An example of each preposition in, on, and at into dialogue. Guess, I have a reservation at Sunset Beach Hotel. Receptionist, let me check in our system. Yes, your room is on the 3rd floor. Guest, thank you. Is there live music on the terrace tonight? Receptionist, yes, it starts at 7 p.m. Guest, great. Where's the tour desk? Receptionist, it's at the lobby, near the entrance. The last question, formal ways to say yes and no. Formal ways to say yes. 1. Certainly, sir. 2. Absolutely, we can arrange for you. 3. It will be our pleasure. Formal ways to say no. 1. I apologize, but we don't have availability for that. 2. I sincerely apologize, but we don't provide that option. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutara Rahab. I made a video segment English for hotel and tourism. The question, the first question. Some ways to answer the telephone in the context of hotel and tourism. Hello, Via Permata Hotel, Mutiara speaking. How can I help you? Good morning, Via Permata Hotel reception. How may I action you? And second question, international radio alphabet from A to Z. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, J for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, I for India, J for Juliet, K for Kilo, R for Lima, X for Mike, N for November,
R for Oscar, V for Papa, Q for Quebec, Stephen Fern, V Victor, Whiskey, X-Ray, Yankee, and Julo. The third set, the three, make an example of each preparation in, on, and into dialogue based on FET content. In, what do you feel stress or tension in your body right now? On, what's been on your mind lately that making you feel sad or overwhelmed? And, where do you feel uncomfortable or something right now? And for this question, formal ways to say yes and no, then make an example into sentence. Sentence yes. Yes, I agree with the proposal. Sentence no. No, I do not agree with the discussion. And thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Hasanah Harahap. Here I want to answer the exam question number 1. Some ways to answer the telephone in the context of hotel and tourism. The answer. Answer: standard hotel reception greeting. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for calling Mega Permata. Thank you for calling Mega Permata. This is Nurul Hasanah Harahap. How may I assist you? Luxury Hotel approach. Welcome to Mega Permata. This is Nurul Hasanah Harahap speaking. How may I make your stay more enjoyable today? Tourism agency greeting. Hello, thank you for calling Mega Permata. This is Nurul Hasanah Harahap. How can I help you plan your next adventure? Concierge service style. Good morning, good afternoon. Concierge desk at Mega Permata. This is Nurul Hasanah Harahap. How may I assist you? Number 2, International Radio Alphabet from A to Z. A Alpha, B Bravo, C Charlie, D Delta, E Echo, F Foxtrot, G Golf, H Hotel, I India, J Juliet, K Kilo, L 5, M Mike, N November, O Oscar, P Papa, Q Quebec, R Romeo, S Sierra, T Tango, Q Uniform, V Victor, W Whiskey, X X-Ray, Y Yankee, Z Zulu. Number 3, make an example of each preposition in, on, at. Insert dialogue based on EFT context. The answer: if, referring to a state or condition. Client: I've been feeling really anxious lately. Practitioner: I understand when you're in a state of anxiety, it can be overwhelming. Let's use EFT to help realize that tension. On, referring to a topic or surface. Client: I've been struggling with self-doubt. Practitioner: we can focus on that today. Let's do some talking on self-worth and confidence. At, referring to a specific point or location. Client: I've made some progress, but I feel stuck. Practitioner: That's okay. Let's look at where you're at emotionally and see what's holding you back. Number 4, formal ways to say yes and no, then make an example in the sentence. Formal ways to say yes: certainly, absolutely, of course, by all means, indeed, that is correct, I would be delighted. Example sentence: certainly, I will send you the details shortly. Formal ways to say no: unfortunately, I must decline. I'm afraid not. Regrettably, that won't be possible. I appreciate the offer, but I must decline. I respectfully disagree. That is not possible at the moment. Example sentence: I'm afraid that won't be possible to our current policy. Thank you, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hasanah. I'm here to answer some questions. The first question is some ways to answer the telephone in the context of hotels and tourism. The first way is start with greeting appropriate for the time of day, such as morning, afternoon, and evening. The next way is introduce yourself and your role. And then the purpose of the call, listen carefully and give the necessary information clearly and briefly, avoiding unnecessary details. For example, good morning. Thank you for calling the hotel. My name is Nurhana. How may I assist you with retail fashion or any other inquiries? The next question is international radio alphabet from A to Z. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, I for India, G for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, N for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, Z for Zulu. The last question is formal ways to say yes and no, then make an example into sentence. Here are formal ways to say yes. First one is certainly, absolutely, indeed, and of course. For example, in the sentence is, of course, I will be happy to assist you with your request. Formal ways to say no. The first one is,
Let me introduce my name. My name is Nurijadia. Now, I want to answer 5 questions. 1. Use a polite greeting, for example, good morning, good afternoon. 2. Mention the company or hotel name. 3. Show a friendly and helpful attitude. 4. Listen careful and repeat it necessary. 5. Use clear and professional language. A. Alpha, B. Bravo, C. Charlie, D. Delta, E. Echo, F. Foxtrot, G. Golf, H. Hotel, I. India, J. Juliet, K. Kilo, L. Lima, M. Mike, N. November, O. Oscar, P. Papa, Q. Quebec, R. Romeo, S. Sierra, T. Tango, U. Uniform, P. Victor, W. Whiskey, X. X-ray, Y. Yankee, Z. Tourist. Hello, I need to go to the Grand Hotel. Taxi driver, yes, there is a famous seafood restaurant in the hotel lobby. Tourist, that sounds nice. Tour guide, good morning everyone. Welcome to our city tour. Please take your seat on the bus. Tourist, excuse me, will we stop at the beach? Tour guide, yes, we have a 30-minute stop on the beach for photos and relaxation. Guys, excuse me, I have a reservation at this hotel under name John Smith. Receptionist, welcome Mr. Smith. Let me check your booking. Please wait a moment. Guys, sure. By the way, Is there a restaurant at their hotel? Receptionist, yes, our restaurant is at the second floor. Breakfast is served at 7 a.m. Formal ways to say no. 1. I am afraid not. I'm afraid not. We are fully booked on the day. 2. Unfortunately, no. Unfortunately, no, we don't have any available rooms touring. Formal ways to say yes. 1. Certainly. Certainly, I will assist you with your reservation. 2. Of course. Of course, we have rooms available for the date.
Some ways to answer a phone in the context hotel and tourism. Good morning. Thank you for calling Bumi Asih Hotel. This is Rizky Mala. How can I help you? Bumi Asih Hotel. Rizky Mala speaking. How can I help you? Hello, this is Rizky Mala from Bumi Asih Hotel Reservation. How may I be at your service? A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, I for India, J for Juliet, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, and Z for Zulu. Good afternoon. Can I help you? Yes, we have a reservation for 3 nights. Mona White. I called last week. One moment please, Miss White. I can put you both on the same floor, in room 311 and 312. They're at the rear of the hotel. Yes. For yes, we can say, yes, I do. Yes, I do speak English. Yes, I would. Yes, I would look at the menu. For no, it can be, no, I don't. No, I don't have reservation.
Good day, mister. My name is Santunul Tagalung. Now I want to answer the midterm exam questions. The first question is some ways to answer the telephone in the context of hotel and tourism. The first way is hello, Pia Hotel. My name is Santur Medu Tagalung. How can I help you today? Or we can say good morning, Pia Hotel speaking. What can I do for you today? The second question is International Radio alphabet from A to Z. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, I for Indian, J for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, and Z for Zulu. The third question is make an example of each preposition in, on, at, into dialogue based on EFT context. Here are some examples of dialogues using the preposition in, on, and at in EFT context. The first preposition is in. Receptionist said, "Welcome to our hotel. Can I check you in?" And guest said, "Yes, please. I have a reservation in room 101. The second preposition is on. Receptionist said, "Your room rate includes breakfast on the first floor." And the guest says, Great, thank you. What time is breakfast served on weekends? And the last preposition is at. When receptionist said, "Can I help you with dinner reservations at one of our recommended restaurants?" And the guest says, "Yes, please. I'd like to make a reservation at the Italian restaurant at." The last question is formal ways to say yes and no, then make an example. The first is formal ways to say yes. That is, yes, indeed, of course, certainly, and absolutely. Formal ways to say no, that is, no, no at all, I'm afraid not, unfortunately not, and regitably not. For example is ways to say yes. When hotel reservation said, "Would you like to book a deluxe room?" And guest said, "Indeed, I would like to book a deluxe room." And the example of formal ways to say no, that is, when hotel reservation said, "Would you like to book a breakfast package?" And guest says, "I'm afraid not, I won't be reading a breakfast." I think that's all of my answer to the midterm exam questions. Thank you and good day, sir.
Hello, good morning. My name is Silvana Napelia and I make this video to fulfill the midterm exam for English for Hotel and Tourism. The first question is some ways to answer the telephone in context of hotel and tourism. Mega Permata Hotel, Silvana speaking. How can I help you? Good morning, Mega Permata Hotel receptions. How may I assist you? The second question is International Radio Alphabet from A to Z. A for Alpha, B for Beta, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, E for India, J for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, Z for Zulu. The third question is make an example of preposition in, on, at in EFT context. Preposition on. How long the transaction will be processed? The transaction will be processed on the next day, ma'am. The fourth question is formal ways to say yes and no and make an example in sentence. Formal ways to say yes. The first is yes, certainly, absolutely, affirmative, indeed. An example for formal way to say yes in sentence is the payment processed? Absolutely, the payment was processed yesterday. Formal ways to say no. The first is unfortunately no. Second is no, I'm afraid not. 3, I'm afraid that's not possible. And the example in sentence, is the payment reversible? Unfortunately not. The payment is final.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to explain about my midterm English, Hotel and Ecotourism. My name is Tiara Hamidah. Let's start from now. The way to answer the phone in hotels and tourism is to greet politely, listen actively, and provide appropriate responses. The first is greet politely, namely greetings such as good morning and mention the name of the company. The second is to listen actively, namely focus on what is being said and listen careful, do not interrupt, which when giving the right response, namely if you cannot answer the caller's question, make sure to write down their message. International Radio Alphabet A for Z. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, E for India, J for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, Z for Zulu. Number 3. Example of preposition in, on, and at. How do you feel when you think about this situation? I feel very anxious, especially when I am in a meeting room with a lot of people. Is there a particular moment that you remember, like at the meeting? Yes, I feel nervous when they starting talking about the project. I feel cornered. Okay, now let's focus on the feeling. Put yourself back in the space. Imagine the situation clearly. Yeah, I can feel it. I am sitting at the table and they are all looking at me. Okay, now we are going to start tapping on certain points. Start feeling the feelings. Focus on the feeling of anxiety. Number 4. Cara mengatakan ya atau tidak dalam kalimat. The first, yes. I respectfully agree to that. And of course, I agree to continue this process. The second no. With all due respect, I cannot agree to that request. And I'm sorry, I can't accept that offer. I think that's enough. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.